Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today I'm on Amazon.com and I thought I would look up Scrunchie shopping so we could see what kind of deals they have on scrunchies on Amazon.com because VSCO girls love scrunchies. So let's see what kind of VSCO deals they have on Amazon.com. So right away, I see some really good deals. Like this first one, you get 47 scrunchies for $11. That is a good deal. So it looks like a lot of these, you get like a little scrunchie holder. You get like 40, 36, 15 scrunchies. But see, I like these velvet ones. You only get 8. And it's still $5. But some of these scrunchies could be kind of weak, and I don't know if you guys have ever had a cheap scrunchie where the elastic is not very it's not very strong, so it doesn't hold your ponytail very good and it loosens up really fast, so then your ponytail is not as perky. So a lot of these might be those cheap kind of scrunchies that don't hold well. So what do you guys think of the ones with the ears? I think they're really cute, like when you look at them, but I don't think they're very useful because it seems like those ears always end up in the wrong place and it doesn't look really cute on. But they look cute on your wrist. Do you guys get scrunchies just for your wrist? Or do you have them on your wrist in case you need them in your hair? But it looks like they do have a lot of good deals. Now these scrunchies, I've seen them at Target. So you could just go to Target and get those, but maybe the price is better on Amazon.com. I personally think Claire's is a very good place to shop for scrunchies because they have so many cute ones and unique ones. And it looks like on here they just have a lot of basic ones, but these are cute. They have like tie-dye and they're shiny metallic, 24 of them for $12. Look, there's a scrunchie stand. But I can't believe how many scrunchies there are, and a lot of them come with these little carrying cases. So I'm going to see if there's any turtle scrunchies since VSCO girls like to save turtles. So I'm typing in turtle scrunchies and it's bringing up these, but I don't see any turtles, you all. Hashtag save the turtles. There's no turtle scrunchies. What is that about? Now, I bet Claire's has turtle scrunchies. Now I'm gonna look up printed scrunchies to see if we get some more fun. Yeah, so they have this animal print pops up, these stripes. Super cute. I'm going to type in VSCO scrunchies to see if they have any just for VSCO girls. And it looks like they're just the same ones. So they're cute, but I don't think I would be buying mine from Amazon. I think I would just go to Claire's. I hope you liked shopping with me on Amazon.com for scrunchies. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.